Strategically positioned, this facility is the heart of a global supply chain network, supporting technological advancement across the world.
Featuring state-of-the-art automation and precision robotics, our dedicated workforce maintains the highest production standards.
Manufacturing sequence showing automated quality control, assembling precision machining operations, utilizing advanced production equipment.
This manufacturing sequence highlights our precision engineering protocols, utilizing advanced measurement tools to validate consistent quality control. Implementing precision engineering protocols and rigorous testing ensures reliable product performance throughout our global operations.
From raw material receiving to quality inspection, our sophisticated automated systems utilize precision engineering.
We utilize advanced production equipment, implementing precision engineering protocols to maintain precise manufacturing tolerance. Manufacturing sequence showing specialized tooling equipment producing final inspection procedures utilizing advanced production equipment, implementing precision engineering protocols.
Implementing precision engineering protocols, we process advanced materials with meticulous attention to detail.
This manufacturing sequence utilizes advanced production equipment, implementing precision engineering protocols, and maintaining Utilizing advanced production equipment, we implement precision engineering protocols, maintaining meticulous attention to detail for reliable product performance. Advanced production equipment utilizes precision engineering protocols for raw material quality inspection, ensuring strict compliance. Real-time diagnostics confirm successful joining operations on the current run. Quality assurance metrics are holding steady, well within spec. Implementing precision engineering protocols and maintaining superior manufacturing standards ensures reliable product performance throughout global operations. Advanced materials processing utilizes precision engineering, ensuring consistent quality control and reliable product performance throughout global operations. Implementing precision engineering protocols, the system conducts rigorous testing on the component fabrication primary stage, ensuring reliable performance across global operations. Through advanced quality assurance and precision engineering protocols, our automated systems ensure reliable product performance throughout global operations. manufacturing sequence showing automated quality control and precision machining operations utilizing advanced production equipment. Advanced production equipment coordinates material processing, implementing precision end-to-end engineering protocols and
manufacturing sequence showing automated quality control, implementing precision machining operations, utilizing advanced production equipment, implementing
implementing precision engineering protocols. Our advanced production equipment ensures consistent quality control and reliable product performance. Our advanced manufacturing protocols control the primary stage of component fabrication, utilizing precision engineering and comprehensive validation procedures. Through comprehensive testing and strict adherence to safety standards, we validate complete product functionality and reliability. The European shipments are showing green across the board.
Confirmed. Reroute the Asia-Pacific cargo to avoid the disruption zone.
The print tolerances are within spec on this iteration. Excellent. I'm updating the model now based on the performance validation metrics. Our technical education programs ensure highly skilled personnel, maintaining exceptional manufacturing excellence across all production operations.